Hello and welcome to Peace Corps' Tips and Tricks for English Teachers. Today we're going to talk about Baamboozle, an online tool that offers 1 million games made by teachers. Baamboozle can be integrated into any content area or grade level, but the interactivity of the tool makes it a great resource for English language learners. I've asked my colleague Mike to explain how Baamboozle works.
My son uses Baamboozle in language class. I've seen how much fun he and his friends have using Baamboozle and how much they learn. Baamboozle has a built-in library with free games that are perfect for learning language. Let's say you are teaching English irregular verbs. To find a game, go to baamboozle.com and click on Games. Type irregular verbs in the search field. Select English from the drop-down menu. Choose All Time and click on the magnifying glass. Now you have a wide variety from which to choose. Each game features a short description, and the number at the bottom right shows the number of times the game has been played. Let's try this one. Click on Play and then select Baamboozle, Play for Free. Choose 2 teams and click on Classic. To play the irregular verb game, Team 1 picks a question and provides the answer. The teacher clicks on Check. If the answer was correct, she clicks OK. If it was not, she clicks on Oops. Then Team 2 goes. The classic version works with a fun feature called Power-Ups, which randomly gives or takes away points. It is a great way to learn, and my son loves it when he earns points without having to answer a question.
What are your favorite Baamboozle games? We'd love to hear. Drop us a line at tipsandtricks.am@peacecorps.gov.